Hi there guys, welcome back to Chasing Crypto, the show where we chase crypto. And on today's episode, we're going to be talking about Crypto20, the first tokenized cryptocurrency index fund. Stay tuned. So, Crypto20 has only been brought to my attention. I've been looking into it, I did a little bit of research into it, and wow, I'm blown away by this project. I think this has huge potential. So, what is Crypto20? Crypto20 is the first tokenized cryptocurrency index fund. Owning a diverse crypto portfolio is now as easy as holding a single token. I'm just going to go through some of the website and read you some of the information. Now, there is a video here. I suggest you come through and watch it if you're interested. So, a crypto index fund that will use the ICO funding to buy the underlying crypto assets. No broker fees, no exit fees, no minimum investment, and full control over your assets. Full blockchain transparency. So then we got the index fund performance. Crypto20 provides a way to track the performance of the crypto markets as a whole. By holding a single crypto asset, index funds have consistently beaten the average managed fund since their inception. See, I think this is an amazing amazing idea, because their other competitor is Economy. Now, unlike Economy, C20, Crypto20 is not a platform. See, Economy is a platform, Crypto20 is not. It is literally just a tokenized Ethereum based index fund, which is insane. So let's scroll down a little bit. Crypto20 eliminates all the third parties involved in taking cuts of investor returns by going direct to the end user as a token itself. So, scroll down a little bit more, we've got a couple of interviews. I do suggest watching the box mining one. Goes on for 25 minutes, so it's not too bad. Let's scroll down a little bit more. Lowest fees. Annual fees of only 0.5% PA, much lower than the 3% offered in the market. So there is still fees associated with it, but it is 0.5%. Now, I'm not sure how those fees work if you're holding the token. I haven't really looked into that, and I can't really find much information on that at the minute, but I will be looking more into that. So let's scroll down a little bit more. As you can see, we have the roadmap here. We've got January to April, initial research and development. Develop smart contracts and autonomous trading system. Finalize smart contract and trading protocol. Test trading system. Crypto20 public launch, which has already happened. C20 token pre-sale. Then C20 token ICO from the 16th of October to 30th of November. So you can buy it now. Initial top 20 coin acquisition, ongoing marketing and investor relations, first rebalancing procedure, and that's the 1st of December to the 14th of January. And then before 14th of January, they're going to do a public audit of all ICO funds. And then the 15th of January, public launch on exchange, data collection, regular fund operation. And then if we scroll down a little bit more, you can see this quote. I do like this quote. Don't look for the needle in the haystack, just buy the haystack. Couldn't have said it better myself. So then we've got a little chart here. Come through, check it out. And then we'll scroll down a little bit. As you can see, they've got a little calculator just here. So if you would have invested $1 in the Crypto20, if it was available and around from the 1st of June 2016, that $1, if you would have just brought Bitcoin, would have turned into $7.82. If you would have bought the ERC20 token, C20, it would have turned into $31. So let's just play a little bit with this calculator. We're going to do $100. See, the beginning of last year, you could have turned $100 into 2,775 if this token was around back then. Then we got all the team just here. Yeah, it's always good to have. You always want to make sure there's a good team behind the project. This looks like an extremely good team. You can go through, check their LinkedIn. Then we'll scroll down a little bit more, and we got the facts down here. Oh no, this bit first. So, token issuance and ICO structure. So, ICO fund utilisation, 98% underlying assets, 2% operational expenses, which means 2% of the money of the ICO funds will be going to operational expenses, and 98% will be buying the underlying assets. And the token type is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. Maximum supply is 86,206,896. Available for purchase is 75 million. Price per token. So in the pre-sale, each token is 95 cents to the first 7,500,000. First 48 hours of the ICO is $1. 48 hours to week 4 of ICO is $1.05. Week 4 to 6 of the ICO is $1.10. So, emission rate. New coins will be minted, created or mined after the ICO. That's no new coins. Main ICO sale period is the 16th of October until the 30th of November. I'm creating this video on the 22nd of October, so we've still got plenty of time to go in and buy these tokens. Team tokens will vest over 2 years via a smart contract, a vault, to align team incentives with ICO participants. So let's scroll down. We got all the facts here. I do suggest, if you want to read them, come through, check them out. So we're going to scroll back down, and right here we've got the fact sheet. So we're going to open that up, go through and have a little look. So we're going to scroll down a little bit, come down to right here, and you can see some data on the portfolio. So Crypto20 index composition. Crypto20 is a hybrid portfolio trading with an index strategy that tracks the top 20 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. A maximum component weighing of 10% is utilized to prevent a single asset and thus single source of risk from dominating the portfolio. Rebalancing is performed weekly. The CRIX index tracks 65 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization and rules on liquidity and volume. The significant outperformance of the Crypto20 index vis the CRIX index is due to the higher weighting of the altcoins. Any cryptocurrency other than Bitcoin in the Crypto20 portfolio as consequence of the 10% component cap. So as you can see here, performance for various periods. You can see last quarter, latest 1 year and year to date. You can look at the percentages here, so come through, check it out. You can see that it has had some pretty good stats if the token would have been around for a while already. You know, you can do this through data science and check all the data to see what would have happened, and that's what they've done. So I do suggest come through, check out this fact sheet if you are interested in investing in the Crypto20 token. And if we go back to the website, they've made it extremely easy to invest. All you want to do is register to get in. Now they take a little bit of information on you, because if you watch the Box Mining interview, they are trying to stay KYC compliant. So it is extremely easy. All you do is come over here, create an account. So you'd go to the email or Google or LinkedIn. Then once you come here, you put your name, your last name, your email, and so forth. I'm just going to log in real quick. So once you're in and you've created an account, it takes you for a few steps on how to invest. It is extremely simple. What you want to do first is create the account, then you're going to want to log in, then you have to verify. You have to put in your address details, a little bit of information on yourself, because remember they are KYC compliant. And then to invest, once you're verified, you go over to the invest tab. Yes, I have accepted the terms and conditions. So step 3, once you're here, you have to create, where is it? See, welcome to the Crypto20 ICO invest page. For the Crypto20 ICO, C20 tokens will have the following pricing structure. We've already covered this, I'm not going to read that again. In order to participate in the ICO, investors need to be verified in step 2. Submit your receiving Ethereum wallet. You'll need an Ethereum wallet to receive your C20 tokens. This can not be an exchange wallet. You need to control the private keys. If you don't have your own wallet, we recommend creating one at MyEtherWallet. Now, recently I've just done a video on how to use MyEtherWallet. I will leave a link to that in the description below. So, once you've created your Ether wallet and you've got your address, you put your address just here. Obviously it's going to be a little bit different, I've already done this, because you need an address to receive your C20 tokens. What I like about this ICO, you can pay with Ethereum, Litecoin and Bitcoin. Now through my MSCs, that's multiple streams of crypto, I managed to earn just over 1 Litecoin a day. So I'm going to be investing more in this Crypto20 just because I think it is an amazing project. Plus I have a little income stream of Litecoin growing for me. So I'm going to put that money to use. But as you can see here, once your Ethereum account is linked, a unique BTC, LTC and ETH address is generated and linked to your identity. Remember, we are KYC compliant. You are able to send to these addresses from any wallet of your choice. When C20 tokens are issued, they will be sent to the Ethereum account you linked in step 3.1 above. So please select your currency you will be investing with. So I was doing Litecoin. So then I took the Litecoin address, I just copied it, I went over to here in my wallet, plugged it into the send area, so I put the address in here, like that, paste, and then I sent 2 Litecoin over. And I'll go through what that managed to buy me in a second. So go to your account page to see your linked addresses and balances. Please be aware that due to network congestion, your transaction may not show up immediately, but you can visit the Blockchain Explorer link on each account to see the transactions for that address. Okay, and you can create or generate new wallet addresses if you please. Now that is how easy it is to invest with the Crypto20. So as you can see, I did a Litecoin to Litecoin. So once you've taken the address, sent some crypto of your choosing over to invest with, you go over to your account and you can see the details on how much you invested. So as you can see, I'm going to scroll down. There's my receiving Ethereum address, so I can receive my C20 tokens when they are issued. So let's scroll down. Investment breakdown. See, as you can see here, I used LTC, Litecoin. I sent 2 over, and that is going to get me 112.6 C20 tokens. Now, as this ICO doesn't end for another month, I will be going in and purchasing more of these tokens, because I do think this is an amazing project. I think it's an amazing idea, and I think there is big things ahead for this Ethereum based token. That being said, this is not financial advice, and I am not your financial advisor. Only risk money you are willing to lose. It's that simple. Anyway, if we look over here on the left hand side, once you are logged in, you can go to withdraw. Obviously we have nothing to withdraw here, but we're going to go through and check out the page anyway. Here you can read all the information on withdrawing. Then over here we have performance. Now I really like this tab. You can track the performance of the C20 token over time. So you can come over here, read about the performance, scroll down a little bit, you can see the fund holdings. Again, we've got that calculator here you can come around and mess with. As you can see, we've got all the top 20 tokens here. You can see all the data on them, and you can see the reporting. So come through, start reading, learn about where you're putting your money, and if you want to invest in C20 tokens. So that has been my review and tutorial on Crypto20. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up. Please smash that subscribe button. If you have any comments or questions, leave them in the comments below, and I will try my hardest to get back to you. So that has been it. This has been Chasing Crypto, and I'll see you again soon.